Ring cameras are a popular choice for home security. This video will guide you through the setup process step by step using the latest Ring app as of February 2026. We'll cover everything from unboxing to customizing your settings so you can protect what matters most. Keep in mind you'll need a Ring camera, a smartphone iOS or Android, and a stable Wi-Fi connection, 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. First, unbox your Ring camera and identify all the components. This usually includes the camera itself, mounting hardware like screws and brackets, a charging cable if it's a battery-powered model, and the user manual. For battery-powered cameras, insert the batteries. For wired cameras, ensure you have a power outlet nearby. The camera will power on, and a pulsing light indicates it's in setup mode. To get started with your Ring camera, download the Ring app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it on your device. You'll need to sign in with your existing Amazon account or create a new Ring account. This account links your camera for viewing live footage, receiving alerts, and managing settings. In the Ring app, tap the plus icon to begin adding your device. Then select Setup Device and choose Cameras from the options. Select your specific Ring camera model from the list, such as Video Doorbell. The app will prompt you to scan the QR code on your camera or manually enter the serial number. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect to your home Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Make sure to connect to a 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz network. Choose a strategic location for your Ring camera, such as a doorway or overlooking your yard, ensuring it has a clear view of the area you want to monitor. Use the included mounting bracket and hardware to securely attach the camera to the wall or door frame. If you have a Ring video doorbell, consider hardwiring it for continuous power if possible. Now it's time to customize your camera settings within the Ring app. Adjust the motion detection sensitivity to reduce false alerts from passing cars or animals. Define specific motion zones to focus on areas of interest, like your front door or driveway. Enable integrations with other smart home devices, such as Alexa, for voice control. For example, you can say, "Alexa, show me the front door," to view your Ring doorbell's live feed on an Echo Show. Ring Protect is a subscription service that provides cloud-based features to enhance your Ring camera's capabilities. To activate Ring Protect, start by opening the Ring app on your smartphone. In the app, navigate to the Ring Protect Plans section. Select a plan that fits your needs, such as Basic, Plus, or Pro. Choose your preferred plan and tap Subscribe Now to complete the process. After subscribing, you will have access to cloud storage for video recordings, professional monitoring where available, and AI-powered alerts for specific events like deliveries or person detection, providing enhanced security and peace of mind. Now that your Ring camera is set up, it's time to test and troubleshoot. Walk in front of the camera to trigger a motion alert and verify it's working. Open the Ring app and check the live view to see real-time footage. Review your recordings to ensure the camera captured the test event properly. If you experience issues like Wi-Fi dropouts, use the support chat in the app for help or reset the camera if needed. For security, enable two-factor authentication in your account settings and keep your camera's firmware updated through the app.